it's flashing 7 times. We'll shut it down. We'll see how the valve responds. So there's a little reset procedure that can be done, and if it responds well to that, then
great. I hope so.
Then great. If it doesn't, then
I'm not sure what made it turn off to begin with.
it went into it went into a code fault.
Oh.
Yeah, so it went into like a code fault deal where it thinks there's something going on with the. You get a lot of these in wintertime. I personally think it's related to like the gas pressure, like the pipes get cold or something, and the pressure changes.
And it's just delicate.
Yeah, they're real sensitive. But I brought another. Usually it's the circuit board. I mean, it tells you it's the valve, which is like this aluminum part that opens and closes, basically, right? It just opens a valve and closes a valve, and then the
valve light.
Yeah, and then the circuitry just determines the heat of the water, and then says open, and then the pilot flame's sitting there, so the gas hits the. It's real simple. It's not really complicated. What it does. It says there's an issue with the valve, and half the time there's nothing wrong with the valve. It's like a glitch in the
system,
in the circuit board. Yeah, so you just start playing. You just change them out. Well, this is taking forever to shut down. It's still shutting down.
Good. Pop this guy's fire.
Okay. Yeah, you got it. You got a 7 flash. It's just shutting down. I'm going to try the reset procedure on it. It's kind of hard to get to in here. If I need to change the valve, you can tell. What's going on here? I see a little drip. A little drip of water. Where did that come from? Yeah, it's not clicking. It's not turning over. That sucks. So we're gonna change the valve. The problem is I can't even, all my screwdrivers are too long. To fit in the space, because this water heater is turned towards the wall, which it should be here, should be in front of me. So, managed to get all this disconnected. I had to just remove the line here. Put it out in here. I can't see anything. I'm so dependent on my vision. I'm useless without it.
Oh, I know.
Alright, so we got the valve in, got the adapter on. I'm going to change that line out. I kind of cleared the gas line a little bit in case there's sediment in there. And I can't decide if I should, because it's so hard to work on this that I can't do what I would normally do. They're not good in the playoffs. That's a lot of pressure for them. The other team, Green Bay, came out, asked for the ball first, went down the field and scored. And the Cowboys don't play well from behind, right?
Right.
They're only good in the lead. So I don't think they ever really recovered from that. Alright, it's blinking. Yeah, this is bull. Bullshit. What this is? Yeah, it's doing it again. It's the circuit board. Knew it. All right. Yay.
It's good?
Yeah, it's on. It's probably just the circuit board. Okay, so we changed the valve and we changed the circuit board. It was pretty much the circuit board. And now I heard it kick over and it should be running. So, and then we kind of purged the gas line a little bit, kind of opened the gas line up. Right, to get any crap out of there in case there's sediment or something in there, especially since I was turning my wrench on everything. So I always like to just purge it. And I think we're good.